Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn with Nisha ji. So we are going to discuss the important points of chapter 4 of class 9 science. So we will provide a gist of all the things. Okay. So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe the channel Learn with Nisha ji, and if you want one-to-one sessions, you can fill up this form and register for the classes. Our team will contact you, right? I'll share the link to the form in the description section. So first is credit for the discovery of electron and proton. It goes to J.J. Thomson and E. Goldstein respectively, right? J.J. Thomson proposed the electrons are embedded in a positive sphere, okay? Then Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, it led to the discovery of atomic nucleus, okay? Rutherford's model of the atom proposed that a very thin nucleus is present inside the atom and electrons revolve around this nucleus. ठीक है? तो atom की stability हम इससे explain नहीं कर सकते, so that's why this model was failed. Then Niels Bohr model of the atom was more successful. ठीक है? He proposed that the electrons are distributed in different shells with discrete energy around the nucleus. If all the atomic shells are complete, then the atom will be stable and it will be less reactive, right? Then J. Chadwick, he discovered the presence of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so three subatomic particles क्या हो गए atom के? Electrons, protons and neutrons. तो electrons हमारे negatively charged होते हैं, protons positively charged होते हैं और neutrons have no charge. Okay, mass of an electron is about 1 by 2000 times the mass of a hydrogen atom. Okay, mass of a proton and a neutron is taken as 1 unit each. Okay, shells of atom हम कैसे designate करते हैं? Capital K L M N, like this. Valency is basically the combining capacity of an atom. Okay, atomic number of an element is the same as the number of protons in the nucleus of its atom. Correct. Mass number of atom क्या होता है? It's equal to the number of nucleons in the nucleus. ठीक है. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element which have different mass numbers. Isobars are atoms having same mass number but different atomic numbers, right? And elements are defined by the number of protons they possess, right? So these are all the important points covered in this chapter. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel Learn with Nisha ji and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching the video.